Hello everyone, if you want to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this error, Forza Horizon 6 has terminated unexpectedly due to an error with the error code FHE01, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. I'll show you two methods of how you can fix it. The first method is the easier one. So the first method is you're going to go ahead and uninstall the app called Citrix Workspace. So if you have Citrix Workspace installed on your computer, you're going to open up your start menu. Right here, add or remove programs. You're going to search for Citrix here. And if you have it installed, you're just going to uninstall it. You can install it after you're done playing the game. So just uninstall it for now because that app conflicts with the game. So you can uninstall the app and now you can try to play the game and that should fix your issue. If for some reason it doesn't, then the next thing you can try to do is if you have any Steam controllers connected to your computer, you're just going to disconnect the controllers and launch the game. And once you're in your game, then you can connect your controllers back on. And the last thing that you can try to do is you're going to open up your games platform, go into library, right click on Forza Horizon 6, click properties, click install files, and then click verify integrity of game files here. Once you're done with that, now you should be able to play Forza Horizon 6 and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that error anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.